ASAP General Contracting, finishing up a job. We've been on for about 3 months. We put in a new deck. ASAP General Contracting, Crescent Beach, St. Augustine Beach, Florida. We upgraded the second floor deck here, and then on the bottom, this is a new deck that we put in. ASAP General Contracting, Jacksonville, Florida, St. Augustine, Florida, Gainesville, Florida, all points in between. This is all brand new. Like I said, this is kind of the end of the experience right here. Still got some painting materials going on over here, but the job's pretty much done, minus some painting. ASAP General Contracting. We specialize in beachfront properties and high-end properties. 904-346-1266. We also changed out these 3-foot deck boards. All of this is a synthetic PVC style material, imitation wood. Has pretty much a lifetime warranty on it. I believe it's called Wear Deck, is what it's called. 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. And then we reused these because they were in good shape. I'll kind of give you a little walk out to the edge of the world here. This property, this owner is on the ocean. We come here every year and work in the months of November, December, January. They take their VRBO down, their vacation rental down. We changed out all this last year up there. This party deck or viewing deck. It's on the top of the dam. This is all about a year or 2 years old at the most. Some of it got taken away, a little bit of it got taken away when the hurricane came through about a year ago, 14 months ago. But most of it was there. What it really did was take the dune out. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. Normally I'm gone by now, but today I had a deadline. I had to finish this painting portion. You can see the other houses. There's a great viewing deck here. We built all this. ASAP General Contracting. 904-993-3433. 904-993-3433. Walk you down here a little bit. From this point, it's 44 steps down to the beach. Again, ASAP General Contracting. We do painting, we do deck work. We just put in a new 1,200 square foot deck here. Took them about a year to get the permits, and then it took us we started in November, and pretty much that part was done by Christmas. The secondary deck we've been working on off and on for the last month. They take this property down for 3 months a year, and I rented the other 9 to vacationers. It's beautiful at sunset. It's about 6:05. The air temperature is about 45 degrees, somewhere there, with a wind chill of about 10 miles an hour, so I'm going to be under 40. I am in a very, very thick coat that I never wear. In the few days a year that I wear it, I keep it in my truck all the time. Like a safety coat. You see it? Some paint on me there. Sunset was about 30 minutes ago, but it's still kind of going over the horizon. I'll back up to the house and give you one last view. Again, all of this work was contracted with ASAP General Contracting. Again, we do everything from painting, drywall, deck work. We love this kind of deck work though. This is really fun stuff, especially on the upper end, high end homes. We also can repair them. We can change out the columns. We can sister columns. We do hurricane straps. This house is going to have some hurricane straps coming up. That's probably what we're going to work on next year up in the attic. When it's really cold, we'll go up in the attic and probably add about 50 hurricane straps, because the winds down here are quite strong. It'll help with their insurance too. And again, starting from right back there, all this is brand new, this last 20 feet. And all of this is brand new. Again, it took about a year to get a permit. A year to get the permit from the state and the county. And then, like I said, we've been goofing around with it for about 3 months. Not every day. Not every day. Again, it's about 1,250 square feet. All that got painted today, all that second floor. All right, well, like I said, this is ASAP General Contracting signing off here from Crescent City, or Crescent Beach actually, south of St. Augustine Beach, about 7 miles south of the pier, down on the southern end of the island. There's a lot of these cottages and houses. The owners of this house have lots of plans for this house. Well, thanks for watching our videos, and like I said, we'll be wrapping this project up this week. We're 99.9% done. Got a little more painting to do around the side by the stairs. Most of the painting up here was done today, and all of the vinyl siding has been put back underneath, the decorative siding underneath the deck. But again, all of this deck is brand new, finished at Christmas time. It's permitted and inspected by 3 different jurisdictional bodies: the state, the county, and a site. And again, it's all permitted and inspected. Again, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you from ASAP General Contracting, 904-346-1266. Thanks again.